Hi guys, welcome to Cartex. Driving this new ID.5 for the weekend. So made a short review about it. It's a really cool blue Dusk car with the black roof, standard on the ID.5. Really like the design compared to the ID.4 on the front bumper. It's a little bit sportier than the ID.4. Also this car has the LED LED matrix, or IQ light as Volkswagen mentioned it. Headlights with the LED strip in the front. This car has some really cool 21-inch alloy wheels. They're aftermarket, so not an official Volkswagen wheel, but a sort of matte anthracite with some polished parts. So really cool to see. Then on the side, the car doesn't have the silver line on the roof anymore. It's wrapped in gloss black, so it's full black now, as you guys see. Also, of course, then the C-pillar is black. And on the rear, the real difference with the ID.4. Still don't know if I like it more than an ID.4. I really like the sleek design of the ID.4, but this is a bit sportier. You see the spoiler on the back compared to the ID.4, which has it over there. On the rear also the IQ light tail lights. So really cool to see that it's a bit different on the rear than the ID.4. It's about half a centimeter lower on the rear than the ID.4 is. And the rear bumper of the ID.5 already has these parts which are a bit bigger. It's the same front of the same rear bumper as the ID.4 GTX has. Again, the super cool 21-inch wheels. Really look good in this car. Maybe they should be black, but also like this. And of course, as mentioned, the big difference between the ID.4 and the 5. The ID.5 is a bit steeper on the roof lowering over there, but still it's almost the same car. And the part I really like is that the under part is painted in the car color compared to the ID.4, where it's black gunstoff. As mentioned, some difference on the back. It's a little steeper, a little sportier on the back. And then the part I most like on the ID.5 is that the lower part is painted instead of black plastic on the ID.4, like the GTX version of the ID.4, but it's standard on the ID.5, so it looks a bit more, let's call it luxurious. Then the interior. This car has aftermarket black leather. Really cool to see. I like it a bit more than the normal interior of the ID.5 and ID.4. Of course, in the car, the bigger display than the ID.4 has. This car still has the 3.0 software, so no little trip computer over here. So that's a pity compared to my ID.4, but this car is a little bit older. And of course, the car has the in-car shop, as mentioned, from software 3.0. We'll put a link of the 3.0 video and the 3.1 video in the description, so you can see the changes in it. But normally all the same as the ID.4, even the same dash, so really not a big difference in comparison to my ID.4. Of course, this car has from the software 3.0 also the games function, the automatic service function, and the recharge app. So also, as mentioned in the 3.0 version, this car has it. So download it for just a couple of minutes now. This car was free of a driver, so I had to do the updates, etc. So not a big difference compared to my ID.4. What is a big difference compared to my ID.4 is that the range of the 3.0 software really is different from my 3.1. When this car is full, the car says, and I've resetted it, 420 20 kilometers, and if I reset my own car with 3.1 software, it says almost 500 kilometers, so a bit of a difference over there. Then in the rear, also the full black leather, no logos, no stitches, just black with black stitching. And then a bit different to the ID4. The thing I most dislike about the ID5 is the view on the back. From the front off, you will look at the rear spoiler and there's no rear wiper, so after 1 hour drive the rear window still is wet and foggy because of the rain today. But as a design point. So guys, what do you think? What do you prefer, the ID4 or the ID5? I think at the front the ID5 looks a bit more aggressive than the ID4, but yeah, technically it's the same car, so some minor differences, but both cool cars, they drive the same. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys.